In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a document. When you first go into your course, your editing will probably be off, so you won't have any options. So you got to turn your editing on. Then you'll see these different icons. You go to the topic area that you want to load information on. Okay, and so I'm just going to go into topic number 2 here. Now, topic number 2 automatically gives itself a default name called topic 2. So if I click that button, I can rename this as practice uploads. And so that's what I'm going to name this section. And I'm just going to write a title. In this section, I will be placing practice upload items. Okay, I'm going to save changes. And so now when I go to that section, it says practice uploads, and then it gives me some information. I can click add an activity right here. And if I want to link to a file or upload a file that I have on my server at school, I select file, I go add, I give it a name, and so maybe this is understanding the digital generation. This document contains the first 3 chapters of the book. Okay, now I have an option here that says display description on course page. If I check that, this information will be listed under the title. If I don't check it, then it won't. So I'm first going to check it so that you see what I mean. So I'm going to save and return to course. It's going to tell me something though here. I forgot to do something. I forgot to link to my file. So I can either click and drag it in here, or I can browse for it. I'm going to browse. I'm going to find it. And it was understanding the digital generation. There it is. And so I'm going to upload that file. It's a fairly large PDF file, so it may take a few seconds here. There it is. And now I have it. Now I'm going to go save and return to course. So you'll notice that I now have it, and if I want to see what it's going to look like for students, I would turn editing off, and now I can see what everything looks like for students. And so it says, here's the link. This document contains the first 3 chapters of the book. If I don't want that underneath there, then what I do is I come back here, and I have these options here. One is edit title, move to the right, move it, update. So I select update, and I'm going to uncheck that box, and now I won't have that description underneath. So I save and return to course. And now I just have the listing. So to see what it would look like for students, I turn the editing off, and now it is just a document sitting there. That's how you upload a document. It can be a Word document, PowerPoint, a PDF, really any kind of document that you have, you can upload. Hope that helps.